Welcome back to DeeBeeGee's Virtual Black Doll Museum on YouTube, where video notifications of new doll installations are published weekly. Installations for the week of February 11th, 2024 are Mrs. Witch, a portrait doll of Oprah as that character, Anthony Julian, a male fashion doll by Integrity Toys, and a variety of Olmec fashion dolls. Links to each installation are in the description of this video. Please subscribe to this channel for video notifications of future museum installations. Also, visit the museum at virtualblackdollmuseum.com and add your email address to the subscription field in the footer of any page. Thanks for watching and subscribing.